Hey y'all, in this week's HEB haul, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different digital deals that you can do. I'm going to be showing you 2 laundry scenarios as well as a diaper scenario and some other cheap deals. Let's go! First up, we have a great deal this week on these Scoonchy, I don't know if I'm saying that right, hair ties. These are $1.74 each. And in the HEB app, we have a $1.50 off digital coupon that is an unlimited digital coupon. Now, on the coupon, it does say a retail value of $2 or higher, but it does work on these rubber bands here, making them only 24 cents each. Now, that digital coupon works on the regular hair ties, but it also works on these little girl hair ties as well. These were in a different section. These right here specifically are $2, and you can use that $1.50 off digital coupon, making that pack just 50 cents. Next, we have this Ocean Spray juice that is normally $3.24, but in the HEB app, we have a $1 off unlimited digital coupon. So once that coupon is applied at checkout, we'll be left to pay $2.24 out of pocket. We're then going to take our receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where Ibotta is going to give us back $1.50, making this just 74 cents. Since the digital coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 3, you can grab up to 3 of these for just 74 cents each. We got this Ibotta freebie last week, but I am finally at a store that carries them. You want to look for the 10-ounce packages of the Tasty Bite cuisines. These are $2.98 at my store. I'm going to pay the $2.98 out of pocket, and then I'm going to take my receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where Ibotta is going to give me back $3.24, making this free and a 26-cent moneymaker. This is a deal that we did last week, but the Shopkick offer has increased, making it an even better deal. You want to grab 1 pack of these Mr. Clean reusable wipes priced at $1.97. I found them on this hang strip here in the middle of the cleaning aisle. I'm going to pay the $1.97 out of pocket, but then I'm going to submit my receipt to Shopkick for 425 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.70, making one of these just 27 cents. Now let's do an all-digital Huggies diaper scenario. These 6 items retail for about $58, and I was able to pick it all up for right under $20. For this deal, I grabbed 1 pack of the Huggies special delivery diapers. Those were priced at $8.17 at my store. I also grabbed a bag of the Huggies new leaf pull-ups. Those were $10.98. And I grabbed 3 bags of the Huggies Little Snugglers diapers, priced at $9.94 each. I made sure to grab the size 1 variety. I also grabbed this pack of Huggies Nourish and Care wipes, priced at $9.48. My total for all 6 items was $58.45, but then in the HEB app, I clipped this 10 off 40 basket coupon, as well as this spend 30, get a free pack of Huggy wipes digital coupon, and this 5 off 50 basket coupon. Now, not everyone got the 5 off 50 basket coupon, and it did expire yesterday. Just be on the lookout to see if it pops up again, but I still think this is a pretty great deal without that coupon as well. I then submitted my receipt to coupons.com, where I got back $3 for the Huggies special delivery diapers and $3 for the Huggies new leaf pull-ups. Then I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got back $6 in total for the Huggies Little Snugglers, and I got back $2 for the Huggies new leaf pull-ups. After the $14 in total back in rebates, my final net total for everything was $19.97. Okay, now I'm going to show you some deals that I did not include into my haul, but wanted to share. The first 2 deals are going to be laundry care deals. I have one for Tide and Downy products, and then the second is going to be for Gain. For this deal, you can grab 1 pack of Tide Pods for $15.94, 1 thing of the Downy Unstoppables for $7.44, a thing of Tide liquid detergent for $7.98, Downy fabric softener for $3.47, and another thing of Tide Pods for $5.44. Your total for all 5 items is going to come out to $40.27. Then in the HEB app, you'll want to clip the $3 off digital for the bigger thing of Tide Pods, the $2 off digital coupon for the Downy Unstoppables, and the $1 off digital coupon for the Tide liquid detergent, the 50-cent off digital for the Downy fabric softener, and the $1 off digital coupon for the smaller thing of Tide Pods. You'll also want to clip this 10 off 40 unlimited digital basket coupon for laundry care items. Once you scan the barcode in your app at checkout and all of the digital coupons are applied, you'll be left to pay $22.77 out of pocket for everything. Now let's do a gain scenario. So the first thing I grabbed, and this is pretty much just a filler item, was one of these 40 count Country Breeze dryer sheets for $1. I also grabbed a thing of Gain fireworks for $7.44, a thing of Gain flings for $15.94, another pack of Gain flings for $10.94, and finally the smaller pack of Gain flings for $5.54. In the HEB app, I clipped the $2 off digital for the fireworks, the $3 off digital for the bigger thing of Gain flings. For the middle one, we had a $2 off digital coupon, and finally the smaller one, we had a $1 off digital coupon. We can't forget to also clip the 10 off 40 basket coupon. Once all of those coupons are applied at checkout, you're left to pay $22.76 for all 5 items. Now, if you notice, this is a Gain fling scenario. I did have one with liquid, but none of the liquid were attaching to the 10 off 40 basket coupon in the app. So be mindful of that. You can try doing a liquid scenario and maybe use the yellow paper coupon or even give it a try with the basket coupon in the app. But I just want to let you know that none were attaching to that digital coupon for me. So always be sure to scan each item when you pick it up to ensure that it will attach to the basket coupon as well as the individual manufacturer coupon. There are 2 different La Colombe coffee deals that you can do this week at HEB. The first one is for the oat milk. It is $2.68 at my store. And we have a 75-cent off digital in the HEB app. That digital coupon is limit 1, so you will have to choose between either this deal or the next one I'm going to show you. After that 75-cent off digital is applied at checkout, you'll pay $1.93 out of pocket, but then you'll take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back, making this just 93 cents. The next deal is very similar. You want to move over to the La Colombe dairy lattes. They are also $2.68, and that 75-cent off digital works on those as well, leaving you to pay $1.93 out of pocket. We have a separate Ibotta offer for $1 back on 1 can, so that's going to actually make this 93 cents as well. This store was completely out of this deal, but I definitely wanted to share it with y'all because I didn't think it was too bad. These EnviroCleanse disinfecting sprays are $2.47, and in the HEB app, we have an unlimited $1 digital coupon. On top of that digital coupon, these are also attaching to a 5 off 20 cleaning basket coupon, so that will apply as well. If your store has these in stock and you are able to grab 9 of them, your total for 9 will be $22.23 before any coupons. You'll get $1 off of each one, so a total of $9, plus you'll get that $5 for that basket coupon, so a total of $14 will be deducted. That'll make these just 91 cents each. We are still able to do the Flips pretzels deal this week. These are normally $2.28, but they are 2 for $3 when you clip the digital coupon in the HEB app. You must clip that digital coupon, or of course you can always use the yellow hang tags in order to get them for that price. You'll pay the $3 out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where Ibotta is giving back 75 cents per bag, so we'll get back a total of $1.50 for the purchase of 2. That makes your final net total for both bags $1.50 or just 75 cents each. All right, y'all, I did 2 separate transactions for this haul, and I'm going to review my receipts with y'all and how it went submitting my receipt to the rebate apps. So my first receipt is for the Huggies diapers that I grabbed. As you can see at the top, we had the wipes, and that was completely free because I met that $30 threshold for purchasing Huggy diapers. So again, that was free. Then we had the Huggy special delivery. Those were $8.17. The pull-ups were $10.98, and we had 3 packs of the Huggies Little Snugglers for $29.82. We had the $10 off 40 digital basket coupon applied, as well as the $5 off 50 basket coupon applying. That left me to pay $33.97 out of pocket, but then I took my receipt and submitted it to Ibotta, where I got back a total of $8. I got back $6 for the Huggies Little Snugglers, and then $2 back for the pull-ups. And I also submitted my receipt to coupons.com for $3 back for the Huggy special delivery and $3 back for the pull-ups. I also want to remind you guys to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. You may have some qualifying offers that give you bonus points, so definitely be sure to check there as well. Also, something I did not mention in the deal breakdown that I want to say here is that the reason that we have to grab these size 1 packs of the little snugglers is because for the Ibotta rebate is for the 32 count or larger. But if you don't want or need size 1 diapers, what you can do is grab 1 box of the Huggies Little Snugglers in the size you need. Those are $24.94. Now with that, you'll only get back a total of $4 on Ibotta, but this deal still shakes out to about $19 with that as a replacement for the size 1 Huggies Snugglers. On my second receipt, I have everything else that I picked up. At the top, I have the Mr. Clean reusable wipes. I paid $1.97 for those. Then next, I picked up 2-pack of these Scoonchy hair ties, which left me to pay 24 cents each after that $1.50 off unlimited digital came off of my transaction. I also picked up the Tasty Bite. I paid full price out of pocket for that, which was $2.98. Then I also had the Ocean Spray Juice. That was $3.24, but we had $1 off digital, making that $2.24 out of pocket. My net total was $7.67 plus tax out of pocket, but then I took my receipt and submitted it to Ibotta, where I got back $1.50 for the Ocean Spray Juice, and I got back $3.24 for the Tasty Bite. I got a total of $4.74 back on Ibotta, and then I also submitted my receipt to Shopkick for the 425 kicks back for the Mr. Clean product, so $1.70 there. Now let's take a look at the final numbers for everything that I purchased in this week's haul. The retail value was $70.12, and I used a total of $28.48 in coupons, leaving me to pay $41.64 out of pocket. I got back a total of $12.74 on Ibotta, $1.70 on Shopkick, and $6 on coupons.com, making my final net total $21.20. That's going to do it for this week's HEB haul. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're not currently yet signed up for Ibotta or Shopkick, I do have the links for those down in the description below. Please also make sure to give this video a thumbs up before y'all go, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.